Today is a really proud day. We stand in a seismically safe school that has 245 new seats that are seismically upgraded. Classrooms, we have inclusive washrooms now. We've been able to paint the school inside and out, upgrade the Wi-Fi, including a new installation of a new elevator. We now have properly ventilated classrooms thanks to a new HVAC system, and we've also been able to replace all the old water lines.
And so these are called soft stories, and so this was a significant upgrade to carry the load for this portion of the building. So as the Mark had showed you the pictures, all of this was upgraded, some of this concrete was added, the cross bracing was taken out, and there's a significant amount of foundation work underneath to help support the building.
Right, but here, like I said, here's the example of where you see where the cuts in the walls happen. And so they came in and they cut through the walls, put in rebar to structurally support it, and then obviously patched it up. And on the outside, you can't really see it through these walls.
On behalf of the Cilaire PAC, we would like to extend our gratitude and excitement on the official commemoration of Cilaire's seismic upgrade. To have a project of this scale be on time and on budget was impressive. We would like to thank everyone from the district and the construction company who worked hard to create a safe, upgraded space for the Cilaire community. Respectfully, the Cilaire PAC.